Fight!
By the way, I'm going as Kenny Florian next year for
should.
Halloween. I've already ordered my costume. 2 giant satellite dishes as my ears, and I'll throw a beard
Don't
on.
scare
Should be
anyone with the
fun.
mask. You're like Chris Rose. You're awkward, but you're effective. Boom.
Finish him!
You never did the gamesmanship thing as you were getting ready to go into the octagon, did you?
Not really. I always brought the same body to my fights.
I thought you were like Mr. Potato Head. You'd put on a different nose, different ears.
I wish.
If so,
That'd be nice.
You picked the wrong ones. Just gonna let you know.
Boom.
Kenny, I thought your nose was all jacked up.
My goodness.
Welcome to BattleBots. I'm Chris Rose, and with me, a man who won the title of World's Best Friend, Kenny Florian.
Thanks, Chris. I'm honored, I guess. Boom.
By the way, I was just joking. We're still friends, right?
Yes, we are.
Flawless victory.
Boom. Boom. Boom.